Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best portable welding machines that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Forney Easy Weld 261. As a gasless MIG welder, you cannot hook up an inert gas. That means the welder outputs plumes of smoke. You can curb the fumes a little by buying quality wire. But if you plan to run this thing inside, you'll need ventilation. Opening the hood, you'll notice a spool adapter for small and large wire. Like most budget machines, the wire drive is made of plastic. The rollers are steel, along with the bolts, but if the plastic knob breaks, you must buy a replacement from Forney. This machine includes an 8-foot MIG gun, 8-foot ground clamp, torch wrap handle, and an adapter for 15 amp to 20 amp plugs. You'll need to buy contact tips and flux core wire before welding with the Forney Easy Weld 261. Moving on at number 4, we have VivoHome Portable Flux Core Wire Welder. VivoHome is a Chinese manufacturer with an impressive list of products. From fruit juicers to electric fireplaces, if you're looking for bargains for your home or office, they'll most likely have it. It runs on 115 V power, which means a 15 amp housebreaker will supply you with more than enough power to weld up to 1/4 steel. The overall build quality is subdued yet impressive. The outer shell is stainless steel with a black matte finish. It doesn't scuff easily and should repel most cases of rust and corrosion. VivoHome organized the front panel with easy-to-understand switches. You have an adjustable dial for your wire speed and 2 switches for a total of 4 current flow settings. At number 3, we have Lincoln Electric Handy MIG Welder. Lincoln Electric is the Ford of welding machines. Heavy-duty industries like high-rise construction and offshore oil have relied on their products not only because they work but because they're backed by one of the leading warranties in the business. The Handy MIG Welder is Lincoln Electric's answer to increase in hobbyists seeking an affordable machine for small to medium projects. This is a MIG and flux core welder. That means you can weld with shielding gas or gasless self-shielding flux core wire. You can run this machine on a house circuit as it runs on District of Columbia 115-volt power. With just house power you get a strong arc capable of upwards of 1/8 to 1/4 welds. Lincoln Electric suggests using this machine on mild steel projects around the house or hobby shop. It's not rated for professional applications. At number 2, we have Goplus Mig 130 Welder AC Flux Core Welder. Goplus ships thousands of SKUs around the world. They sell a range of products in over a dozen categories, including home and garden and home improvement. When you want to save money without losing quality, they're an ideal brand from which to buy. The Goplus Mig 130 Welder AC Flux Core Welder is a prime example of Goplus money-saving superiority. It's an AC welder that runs on 115 V house power. They usually consider AC welders the lower end of the welding spectrum. That's because they run hotter and overheat faster. Working with this welder, they found it to be a fantastic value for the price point. For milled steel you'd find around your house, however, you'll get your money's worth with the Goplus Mig 130 Welder AC Flux Core Welder. And finally at number 1, Sunku 130 MIG Welder. Sunku is an international company that manufactures industrial-grade products for the construction, automotive, food, and pet sectors. From grooming tables to plasma cutters, if you're looking for affordable yet durable products, they'll have it in stock. The Sunku 130 MIG welder resembles other AC gasless welders on my list. Like the Goplus 130, this is a great option for DIY projects and house repairs. That's because it runs off a 15 amp breaker and ships with everything you need to weld right out of the box. With this welder, you get a flux core welding gun, ground clamp, contact tips, extra fuses, a weld brush, and face mask. It runs out faster than you think. The manual explains the switches and dial on the front panel. There's no gas port on the back of the device, so you can't try MIG gas welding. This limits what you can do with this machine, but also makes it very easy to learn and earn some welding experience quickly,